Magsisimula tayo ngayon sa kanyang harapan. Naka-single pot caliper, single hydraulic disc brake at tube type ang kanyang gulong. So size ng kanyang gulong sa harapan is 2.50 by 17. So front suspension is telescopic fork. So spoke wheels na rin ang kanyang rim. So ito ang kanyang front fender. Napakatigas nito, hindi basta-basta mabibiyak or mababasag kapag ikaw ay nabubunggo. So inspired po ito ng CRF 150 ni Honda. So headlight is halogen bulb type. Turn signal left from right is bulb type. So sa tail light is halogen bulb type. Turn signal left from right is bulb type. So rear brake is mechanical leading drum brake at rear suspension of swing arm. So ito ang kanyang decals, reflectorized decals stickers. So punta tayo ngayon sa kanyang left side. Makikita dito ang high beam, low beam sa headlight, turn signal left from right at saka horn. So pakinggan natin ang kanyang horn. Napakatikas at lakas. So ito naman ang kanyang handguard protect. So sa right side makikita dito ang throttle, front brake at push start. So ito naman ang kanyang digital panel board. So dito makikita ang kanyang fuel gauge, trip 1, trip B, odometer, kilometer. So neutral and indicator. So transmission type of constant mesh of 4 speed. So ito ang kanyang gear switch, side stand. So dual purpose. Starting system is electric starter at kick starter. So kapag hindi gumagana ang yung electric starter, mapapandar mo pa rin kasi meron siyang kick starter. So ito kanyang back brake at engine guard protect. So special shoutout and special thanks sa aming beloved customer, Bilya Rose Monroe. So congrats in advance sa kanyang Honda XRM 125 color gray black.